It's Papa Ron.
And I'm Mama Lee.
So,
Today we're gonna do another unboxing.
like I said a while ago, guys, we will unbox our new
Laptop.
Yes, brand.
So before that, guys, before we open our
Apple daw po. Bikini me.
before we unbox our new laptop, our new Huawei laptop, guys. So we'll first unbox the freebies.
Yeah.
This is the freebie, guys. Before we open, it says here
10-year anniversary.
10th anniversary from
gift,
Huawei.
gift set from
Yeah.
Huawei.
So let's see what's inside, guys. Let's try to open. Wow. Oh. There it is.
Gift.
There you go. So before we have there's also a freebie bag. Ta-da-da. So it's how cool, brand new. Wow. So inside is just where to put our. Okay.
Okay.
This is it, guys.
Finally, are we waiting?
Finally, this is it.
Finally, our look.
Oh, little baby boy. There you go.
That looks beautiful.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, let's try to open.
Yeah, that we should be careful. This has to be very expensive.
So, guys, this is the. Oh, sorry. Again, the specs of this laptop. It's an i3 Intel, then
Silver.
Silver.
Our other one is black.
yeah, it's grayish. So this one is silvery whitish. Okay.
Password.
Yeah. You need password. Keep quiet. No password.
Wait. One.
Keep quiet. The people will know. So hi guys. Hello. So here once again. So the big question here is how this MateBook D15 i3 version will do in gaming experience. So we will try it later. So let's do that. But also we will check also this version. I upgraded this to Windows 11 and we will check it out also if it runs okay smoothly in Windows 11 as well. That's it. And of course, guys, please like and subscribe YouTube channel and more videos, moments, fun stories, fun unboxing, gadgets, travel vacations, all of them. Please like and subscribe. So this is it, guys. We're able to run this our new MateBook D15. I upgraded it to Windows 11. So as you can see, it's the results, the specs of this cool, affordable D15 by the Huawei. So it's nice that they have this option, affordable. So it has 8 gig RAM, of course, and Like I said, it is in i3 version and it is in 10 Gen. That's 2.10 gigahertz, 2.5 gigahertz. So it's a 64-bit rating. And as you can see, it's running in Windows 11 home single language. Okay, so we're gonna check how this works. So as you can see here, if I drag my mouse, this is one of the cool features of Windows 11. So you can just choose from this right here to maximize or minimize. If you go to the maximize area, so you can choose what you want. You can do like that. Yeah. So it's easy and much easier to use. Okay, so this is some of the basic of the Windows 11, guys. Okay. Then we can also run to check. Open the desktop if you want, new desktop, and go over here. So, oops, internet connection. Sorry about that. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, so here there's another so everything, the widgets are here as well, so you can see news, everything in Windows 11. Yeah, I think it runs okay, it runs smoothly in Windows 11. And so you can see here you can see that if it's Windows 11, the window symbol is in the middle as well, and once you open it, you can really see it's different from Windows 10. So this is what you will see in Windows 11 when you open this. So if you want to see all the apps, just click there and that's it. You can go over to all the apps here. Yeah, I think that's the basic of the Windows 11. So some cool features here. And you can go over to the COM here if you want. Yeah, settings as well. Everything is here. Runs smoothly. So that's it. So that's how the Windows 11 in our new Huawei MateBook D15 i3 version. This works fine for me. It's okay. So let's try the gaming now and how it really works in gaming. So hi guys, so you can see I'm playing now of course my favorite game, because I'm an oldies guy, so I love playing StarCraft since teenager until now. So until now I still play StarCraft. So as you can see, so far it just runs okay, runs smooth, and you can check how it really works. So I'm moving my mouse and checking the siege tank moving, so it just works okay. I think no problem, as you can see. So I'm enjoying playing this game since teenager. So trying to build something here. So I think that's it. So working for StarCraft. So let's try another game. So this is one also. Like I said, I'm an oldie guy, so old school guy. So I'll try to play some Counter-Strike Source. So as you can see here, so I'm playing the Counter-Strike Source. So everything works okay. So it just runs smoothly. So you can see here, everything works okay. There is one. So
Hi guys, today I'm gonna play Roblox. Today I'm gonna play the insane elevator. I'm gonna grab some things because look at how many money I have. Wait, yeah, I forgot that one. Wait, okay, I can only buy the torch, I guess. Let's go to this mount. Say, oh no, I'm never gonna survive that, bro. But I think I am. Wait, mid shift, bro. Shift.
So that's it, guys, for the testing our capabilities of this Huawei MateBook D15 i3 version. So you can see we're playing games, checking the Windows 11. It works fine for this laptop, this affordable laptop. So those who wants to, so katong nagduwa-duwa or thinking twice na how good is this Huawei laptop, or is it bad or good? So I already shared my experience with this laptop. I hope you able to decide if you're gonna buy this laptop or not. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. So please again like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So that's it for now. So bye bye for now. See you next time. Bye.